Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday, and we did our shopping yesterday. So, last night I prepared German goulash over hand-smashed potatoes and no veggie. That's right, no veggie. It was very good. Yeah, it was great. We used the paprika, the Spanish paprika from the local spicery in Marysville. Great depth of flavor. Yes. Tonight, I am preparing my meatloaf. Yes. We're also having boxed cheddar au gratin potatoes and corn on the cob. First for the season, for us. Let's get to it. Got the hardware going. All right. I'm using ground pork, ground elk, Ritz crackers, red bell pepper, which will be diced, onion, which will be diced, a couple eggs, some kosher salt, some black pepper, Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce, only Lee & Perrins, some basil, oregano. I'm using Indian paprika today, granulated garlic, and whole thyme. And in that lovely container right there is my barbecue sauce, which will go on top as a glaze. Yes, of course, the au gratins and the sweet corn. All right, I'm going to keep this short. Stay hydrated, stay out of the heat. Again, it's going to be hot. Yeah. Have a great day. Eat great food and have fun cooking.